So I made a decision on this one. So on this one, I did like a 3/8 round over for the edges, and it looks pretty good. But I'm not drilling a hole or anything. I'm just gonna keep it a block. I'm gonna go. This is 1/2 inch round over, so that's pretty aggressive. But there's plenty of block there because these are like 1.5 inches thick, and so we're gonna go 1/2 inch. So we'll get set up on the router table and show you how we do it. Okay, so we got a router bit in our router table. I got one of my good glue up blocks. I'm just gonna do the end side with the already stuff I use for samples. And I'll Shamaine hold this, and we'll see how deep our cut is and what it looks like with the sample. So we need to raise our blade up quite a bit to get the look we want. That's not the look I want. That's not enough. So we take our tool here. And I don't want to go too much.
So that's what this one does. What does this one do?
I don't know what that one does. Quick. I don't know. It doesn't turn with the tool, but it turns with this when I turn it. So maybe it does turn it, but
okay.
Well, let's try that. I'll hold that. We're gonna do another try. There we go. That's what I'm looking to do.
Nice.
So that's the look I'm going for right there. It's a little bit aggressive, but we'll have a little bit there. We'll have to sand out, but that's all right. So we're gonna go ahead and do our piece. So. Okay, so what I do, I get my piece, and I don't. I always start in a little bit. Get the right camera can see me, and then I do the piece, and then I stop before I get to the corner, so I don't have tear out. And then I take it out, and then I bring it back into the corner and work it, so it doesn't tear it out.
Okay.
So. Here we go. It's just wood. If I wreck it, I'll just cut it off, make it smaller. So. I just keep all my pressure up against the ball bearing there. That's the look. That's the look I'm trying to go for. And the blade is spinning this way, so I'm taking the wood. So we're cutting against the rotation of the blade. And it's splitting out. I can see that. I'll pull out. Check it. So that's what it look like. Then I'll come in and work the ends. I did that corner, and then we'll do the same thing over here. Oh, that's what you gotta be careful of. All right. So no tear out. Fine. You want to try? Did he let you do this side? So now we're gonna let Shamaine try. So remember, always start in like 1 inch, and and it'll want to grab it. So start in, just feel it first, feel what it feels like, and push all the way into the bearing. Okay, now just keep it straight and just come straight across. And then stop like an inch before the edge. And stop. Now pull straight back. There you go. Okay. Now let's check it.
Good.
Okay. So when you do the edge, this side, you'll start here and you'll just go straight in, hold both. Okay, now there you go. Yep, perfect. Just like that. Okay. Now this side, yeah, and it'll want to grab it because the blade. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now that you got the corner done, you can bring it and go all the way the other way also.
What?
So once you get the corner knocked down, you can bring it and work it this way so it doesn't tear it out.
So you want me to go over that edge again?
Nope, it's done. Okay, and you want to flip it over and do the other side? And same process. Now stop, yeah. Finish off your corners. Okay. Yeah, knock off your corner. Now you can either pull it out or do it that way. Yeah. But you did good that time. So. That's good. Yeah, it will sand out. Yeah, it'll sand out. Now I gotta do the ends. Same idea, but a little more, because it's the end grain. It might. All right. Go ahead and shut the router off.
Not that far.
Yeah, let's tear out from part of it. Big stop button. All right, let's see. How do we do? Head over here where you can see it. Well, I think it's gonna. Yeah, I mean we got a little bit of the lip here because we got the blade a little bit high, a little bit lip right here, but we'll sand that out. But I think that's the look we're going for. So, all right, I was ready for sanding. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.